well, I already got one of the bolts out after I got the socket just to make sure that it was working. But if you look down here, it is this right here. This is where the coil and ignition ground connects to on top. But to reach through this well to get down to turn the actual 10 millimeter nut at the bottom, you have to be able to reach it. And to reach it, you need a socket long enough. That's why I ended up getting this one right here. Got it on Amazon. I believe it's a CTA part. It was 120 millimeters long, and it's perfect for reaching. You've got a press so much more bendable and pliable and brand new quality product. So I'm stoked about that. So it looks pretty good to go. So I'll get this done, and we'll have to do this again for a long time. And the oil filter and oil cooler housing gaskets, those will get done. And then I'll see if I have any coolant leak after that, after I change the oil and flush the coolant. To take off the E10 bolts right here. They're in there. I haven't inspected this yet. I'm gonna check it out just to see. Looks like it's got some decent carbon buildup. Could probably do a walnut blasting pretty soon. You've got a press There we go. It's done. It's off. Oil filter housing and the oil cooler. Lots of stuff to clean off on the front of the engine. Kinda scary. Let's see here. Let's turn that okay. Alright guys, everything is back together here and cleaned up. So I gotta get the nuts on the intake manifold there and get the last bolt in there, get that fastened. And then I'll get my charge pipe back in and put the vacuum hoses back on right here. Get that connected back up, and then I can work on my intake. New intakes. We'll be replacing the air box that was right there. I gotta put my fan back in and then reconnect all of the, well, I gotta put the spark plug housing back in, and then put the coils back in and reconnect all of the coil connectors and ground wires and all that stuff. Connect the boxes back for the DME back on. I've got replacements for my cowl. I have cowl filters to go there, so I'll be able to hear more of the whole intake sound that's going to be coming out of here. But here's the pile of stuff that is needing to be put back in. I will not be putting in that, or that, or that, or that for now. I may put this back on, but for now, not that. So, you're next. Well, it's been a long journey, but we got the intakes, we got the valve cover gasket replacement, we got the oil filter housing and oil cooler gasket replacements. We changed the spark plugs and the coils. This expansion tank might need replaced. I ordered a new one because I thought it was the source of the leak from the coolant after I replaced the water pump again. But we are no longer leaking after I retightened all of my clamps and hoses. So right now I'm just testing. Here, let me give you guys some revs. We are golden, no leaks. I'm so fucking happy.